Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you my tips and tricks for developing your own skincare product line. Starting a skincare business can be a daunting task, but with the right guidance and resources, it's definitely doable. So, whether you're a skincare enthusiast or an aspiring entrepreneur, stay tuned for some valuable insights. Segment 1: Conducting market research. Before you start developing your own skincare product line, it's important to conduct thorough market research. This involves analyzing customer needs, identifying gaps in the market, and conducting competitor analysis. In this segment, I'll show you how to conduct effective market research and gather insights that will help you create a product line that truly resonates with your target audience. Segment 2: Formulating skincare products. Once you've conducted your market research, it's time to start formulating your skincare products. In this segment, I'll guide you through the process of selecting and sourcing quality ingredients, formulating products that cater to specific skin types and concerns, and testing and refining your formulations until they meet your standards. I'll also share some tips on how to create effective and safe formulations that comply with regulatory requirements. Segment 3: Branding and packaging. Now that you have your skincare formulations in place, it's time to think about branding and packaging. In this segment, I'll share some tips on how to create a unique brand identity for your skincare business, design effective packaging that catches your customers' attention, and create a compelling product story that resonates with your target audience. Segment 4: Launching your product line. After months of hard work, you're finally ready to launch your skincare product line. In this segment, I'll show you how to launch your product line online, partner with influencers to promote your products, and provide exceptional customer service to create a loyal customer base. I'll also share some tips on how to navigate common challenges faced by skincare entrepreneurs and how to stay motivated and focused on your goals. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Developing your own skincare product line is an exciting and rewarding journey, but it takes time, dedication, and a lot of hard work. Remember to stay focused, stay motivated, and always put your customers first. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more skincare business tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.